The sixth principle of HR function is that HR function should constantly focus on balancing adaptation to the existing culture and creating a new culture. Balancing both adaptation and change. Sometimes when you introduce new systems, new technology, new practices, new processes and so on, it might change the existing kind of a culture, and they are meant to change the existing kind of a culture. Sometimes it may also become essential to take into consideration the existing culture and design systems that suit the existing culture. For example, if an organizational culture is highly short-term oriented, I think it is the responsibility of the HR department to constantly remind people, while short-term orientation is their bread and butter, they cannot altogether ignore the long-term kind of orientation. So therefore, it is HR department which is sensitive to the current culture of the organization and the intended kind of a culture, and constantly educate people in terms of balancing both these. Discipline versus freedom, for example. I think a culture may require both discipline as well as certain amount of freedom. So where does the freedom end and where does the freedom begin? Where does the discipline start? I think these are some of the issues that the HR department or the HR function should constantly be aware and should constantly educate people so that they are able to cater to both the existing culture as well as bring about changes in the culture in a desired kind of a way. So this is quite often a difficult kind of tasks. Some people have taken the stand that you should have all systems that suit the current culture, and we have taken the stand not always necessary. You should both adapt to some parts of the culture and change some parts of the culture. This is a continuous process and there is no one view about it.